I have a lizard between my feet. Just don't. He's in my shoe now. He's in this shoe.
Oh, God. Where is he? Nice.
Oh, God. Oh, don't peck my foot.
It doesn't hurt. But...
A lot of people don't know this, but chickens are responsible for the deaths of hundreds of lizards. We're talking animal cruelty on the scale of an evil dictator. Now, I pitched a fit to my mom. I told her she had to do something about her chicken, so she ended up cooking it for dinner. Now, my mom's not a hero, far from it. She told me I had to get my own apartment. I have a week to pack. So ladies, if you want to see videos of me doing bench presses, give me a ring. I'm single, so